Junk food and healthy food are antagonistic and continue colliding with each other at foods and calories. If you ask which one is better from the taste point of view, some people might argue that nutritional food items are tastier too. But when it comes to choosing between the two, junk food always wins the race. But why? Why do we enjoy junk food so much when we know that it is unhealthy for us? Junk food is the best example of an unbalanced diet categorized by a huge proportion of simple carbs, refined sugar, salt, saturated fat, and with very low nutritional value. When you eat junk food, your brain starts craving for more sugar and fat, which leads to weight gain. The problem with junk food is that it has no nutritional value, and hence it is very harmful to your health. If you want to lose weight, then junk food should be avoided. It even causes many diseases such as heart disease, stroke, etc. The most common type of junk food is processed foods. Processed foods are made from processed ingredients which have been added to them. These include high fructose corn syrup, artificial sweeteners and artificial flavors, artificial colors and flavors like sodium bicarbonate or potassium carbonate, and so on. These products are not good for us because they contain chemicals that can cause cancer and can lead to serious health problems. But what about the other side of the coin? Healthy food can be a great source of energy and nutrients. It can also help you lose weight by increasing your metabolism, which can help in burning fat. The more calories you burn, the more energy you will get. But even healthy food can cause problems if eaten in a large amount. A well-balanced meal plan comprises of about half fruits and vegetables, while the other half consists of whole grain cereals and legumes or lean meats. There are a number of ways one can gradually reduce the intake of junk food. For example, never stock up in your homes, which can easily take away the temptation. Or instead of eating any kind of chips or snacks from the pack, take them out in a bowl in small proportions or share your food with friends who will help you slow down. Eating your favorite treat on occasional basis is a more realistic, healthful, and sustainable approach for your health. In conclusion, healthy food is best for maintaining weight, getting an adequate amount of essential nutrients, and for keeping you in good state of health.